Welcome back to Techlinked, everybody, and today it's... Ew. James, I'm not saying that. That's gross. You do what with a kiwi? What the heck?
Say it.
No.
Say it.
No. God. This is a tech news show. The right to repair movement has won a major victory as the US federal government has essentially made it legal for citizens to bypass digital rights management, or DRM systems, in order to repair their devices. The new rules come from the Library of Congress and the US Copyright Office in the form of several new exemptions to the Digital Millennium Copyright Act, or DMCA, which criminalizes copyright infringement. They don't serve to make DRM illegal, but they do include broad protections for users who bypass DRM and other technological protection measures for the maintenance of a device or system in order to make it work in accordance with its original specifications. So, jailbreaking and unlocking phones is fair game as part of this.
Woo!
Yeah, there's even protections for modifying games or other software that doesn't work properly anymore when online functionality is shut off, like when game servers are shut down.
Woo!
Yeah, this is glorious news, especially for Bob the Builder fans. Can we fix it?
Woo!
Spoiled
again?
Supposed to say, yes, we can. And Android phone manufacturers can fix their devices also, as Google has now made it mandatory for OEMs to release more regular security and software updates. A new licensing agreement has Google requiring Android device makers to provide at least 4 security updates for a device within 1 year of its launch, and to provide regular software updates for 2 years after launch. If specific security flaws are identified by Google, the OEM has 90 days to push a patch out. If device manufacturers fail to abide by the terms of the agreement, Google could withhold approval of future devices. This is excellent.
Yes.
Because out of all the phones in the Android universe, really only Pixels have gotten software updates with any timeliness or regularity. But now, non-Pixel peasants can join our brothers in the sun. Oh. Wow, I thought we were gonna add that in post, but now we don't have to. Wow, feels good. And Twitch has announced a number of interesting updates at TwitchCon. Where else? Squad streaming will enable up to 4 streamers to squad stream their stream. Makes sense?
Squad!
Ah!
Would you like to join my squad?
Oh, yes. So independent streamers can link their streams so you can watch multiple people in split screen. That's how that works. Meanwhile, Twitch Sings is a karaoke game that, well, karaoke should be pretty straightforward. Snap Inc., maker of Snapchat, James, that's an app that the young people use, has also partnered with Twitch to bring their AR filters to Twitch as part of the newly launched Snap Camera desktop app. I know. And in related news, Intel has partnered with Streamlabs on a number of NUC mini PCs intended for use as dedicated streaming PCs, including some that you'll be able to rent for $30 a month. Altogether, streaming is more accessible and exciting than ever, but if everyone is streaming, then who's watching the stream? Oh. Concerned about who's watching you? Well, then you might want to check out Private Internet Access, today's Quick Bit sponsor. PIA is a VPN that lets you dial in the exact level of privacy protection you need with support for a variety of protocols and types of encryption. There are PIA apps for Windows, macOS, Android, Linux, and Google Chrome with DNS and IPv6 leak protection and an internet kill switch as well. It'll block all traffic if the VPN becomes disconnected. Protect yourself.
Before you wreck yourself.
And those you love. Check out PIA at the link below. It's time.
Quack bats!
Quack. You said it! Oh no, well, almost. Linus almost said quick bits, almost. An unidentified new Vega GPU has been spotted by videocards.com in the benchmark results for Final Fantasy 15. There's no definitive information on whether this might be an existing Radeon Instinct workstation card with display connectors attached or a new RX Vega gaming card, but it sat just under the GTX 1080 in score, so hopefully it's not AMD's next flagship. That'd be embarrassing.
But not unusual.
Yeah, that's true. The FCC won't let California be, as the Golden State has agreed to delay its net neutrality bill after the FCC claimed the proposed legislation would be illegal. Not if it passed, though, then it would be Legally.
Hey.
Yeah. The bill now will now wait. The bill's gonna wait until legislation concludes concerning the FCC's rollback of its previous net neutrality rules, which is waiting on Gus getting back to the office with that dang paperwork. He's been out getting coffee for at least an hour now. That's good. Come on, Gus.
You screwing the pooch again, Gus?
Hopefully, not literally. Facebook is working on augmented reality glasses, according to the company's head of AR, Ficus Kirkpatrick. Wow. That's a name, huh?
That's not a name, that's a plant.
Yeah. He sounds like the hero of a young adult novel or something. Like The Adventures of Ficus Kirkpatrick and the Ring of Sauron. Anyways, Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella said in the company's earnings call that the Xbox Game Pass subscription service will be coming to PC. But do we need it? There's already like a ton of these kind of subscription services on PC already. Forza! None of them have Forza though. Do you know about that?
Yeah.
It's a racing game.
With cars?
Yeah.
Chuck wagons. It's a chuck wagon racing
You
game.
could call them truck wagons. And time to throw out your worthless 14 terabyte hard drives. They're not even the biggest ones you can get anymore. Western Digital just launched the 15 terabyte UltraStar DCHC620. Why are you even trying with 14 terabytes? What can even fit on there? Like a single Word document?
Like a haiku.
Yeah, like this dumb haiku you wrote for your high school crush? Get out. Just kidding, it's time for me to get out of this video because it's over. Like, dislike, be neutral, subscribe, these are all things you can do. But regardless, we'll be back on Monday with more tech news. Because we love you.